Most people notice confidence before they notice style, and unwanted nose hair can quietly ruin both. Today, I'm breaking down the best-rated nose hair trimmer options that make grooming fast, painless, and precise. Welcome to the channel. Stay with me to upgrade your routine and check the links below to grab yours. The number 5 product on our list is Norelco Nose Hair Trimmer. Few grooming mishaps are as distracting as catching a glimpse of stray nose hair in harsh lighting right before an important meeting, and that small detail can quietly chip away at your polished appearance. Designed to handle those overlooked areas with precision, the Norelco Nose Hair Trimmer 3000 targets unwanted nose, ear, and brow hair with a calm, controlled approach. The real issue many people face is discomfort. Cheap trimmers tug, scissors feel risky, waxing sounds extreme. This unit addresses that anxiety through its protective guard system, which creates a barrier between skin and blades, helping reduce nicks and irritation. Dual-sided steel blades cut efficiently from multiple angles without pulling, so grooming feels smooth rather than stressful. It is water-resistant, making cleanup simple. A quick rinse under the tap keeps it hygienic and ready for the next use. In day-to-day life, that ease matters. You can maintain a neat look in minutes without turning it into a complicated routine. Compared with basic rotary trimmers that sometimes miss fine hairs, the dual-sided design tends to capture more in a single pass, though it is focused on detail work rather than full facial trimming. It suits professionals, frequent travelers, and anyone who values a tidy appearance without fuss. When small grooming tasks are handled quietly and efficiently, the overall effect is subtle but powerful, leaving you feeling composed and ready for whatever the day brings. At number 4 is AREYZIN Nose Hair Trimmer. Nothing disrupts a polished look faster than stray facial hair catching. The light at the worst possible moment, and that tiny detail can quietly chip away at how put together you feel. Designed to tackle those overlooked areas with efficiency, the AREYZIN Nose Hair Trimmer steps in as a versatile grooming companion. This 3-in-1 device handles nose, ear, eyebrow, beard, and even light facial trimming, reducing the need for multiple tools cluttering your drawer. The usual concern before buying a trimmer is discomfort. Tugging blades and weak motors turn a quick task into an unpleasant routine. Here, a 6,500 RPM motor paired with stainless steel dual edge blades and a 360-degree rotating inner system works to remove hair smoothly without painful pulling. USB rechargeability replaces disposable batteries, making it convenient for travel or daily use. The IPX7 waterproof build allows safe use in the shower, and the washable removable head simplifies cleaning. A compact body with a storage stand and dust-proof cover keeps everything organized and ready. Compared with basic single-head rotary trimmers, this multifunctional approach offers broader grooming coverage, though it may not replace a full-size beard trimmer for heavy shaping. It suits professionals, students, and travelers who want a tidy appearance without carrying several gadgets. When grooming becomes simple, quick, and controlled, the result is a subtle upgrade in how you present yourself, and that quiet refinement can make a lasting impression. The third one on our list is Panasonic Nose Hair Trimmer. Tiny grooming details have a surprising impact, and a single stray hair can undo the effort you put into looking sharp for work or an event. That is why a precision tool matters. The Panasonic Nose Hair Trimmer approaches the task with thoughtful engineering rather than brute force. Many people hesitate before trimming because of past experiences with painful pulling or messy cleanup. This model addresses both concerns directly. A dual-edge hypoallergenic 60-degree blade trims cleanly from multiple angles, reducing tugging and irritation. The built-in vacuum system quietly whisks away clipped hairs, which means less mess in the sink and less frustration afterward. It can be used wet or dry, and the fully immersible head rinses clean under running water, simplifying maintenance. The ergonomic design sits comfortably in the hand, allowing better control when working in delicate areas. Powered by a single AA battery, it offers up to 90 minutes of operation and includes a travel pouch and protective cover, making it practical for business trips or gym bags. Compared with basic rotary trimmers that scatter clippings and sometimes miss finer hairs, this design feels more refined, though it remains focused on detail grooming rather than full beard shaping. It suits professionals, frequent travelers, and anyone who values a neat appearance without complicated routines. When grooming becomes quick, tidy, and predictable, the result is a smoother start to your day, and a quiet sense of being well prepared. On number 2 is XOOMRSCP Nose Hair Trimmer. A single overlooked detail can quietly undermine an otherwise polished appearance, and unwanted facial hair often shows up at the most inconvenient times. Designed for quick, discreet grooming, the XOOMRSCP nose hair trimmer offers a practical solution for nose, ear, eyebrow, and light facial hair care in one compact device. The common frustration before choosing a trimmer is discomfort. Tugging blades and loud motors make the process unpleasant. This unit answers with a 360-degree rotating inner system powered by a 10,000 RPM motor that trims smoothly without painful pulling. The one-button design keeps operation simple, which matters during rushed mornings. USB rechargeability removes the need for disposable batteries, and a full charge can support months of short, regular use. Operating noise stays under 50 decibels, allowing quiet grooming without drawing attention. The washable head, included, cleaning brush, and dust-proof cap make maintenance straightforward and hygienic. In comparison with standard battery-powered rotary models, it offers stronger motor speed and modern charging convenience, though it remains intended for detail trimming rather than heavy beard shaping. It suits busy professionals, students, and travelers who want a tidy look without carrying multiple tools. When grooming becomes quick, gentle, and easy to maintain, the result is more than neat edges. It is the calm assurance that small details are handled before stepping into the spotlight, leaving you prepared and composed for whatever the day demands. Now moving to the last one is ConairMan Nose Hair Trimmer. A sharp outfit and a steady handshake can lose impact instantly if small grooming details are ignored. And that is where precise maintenance quietly shapes first impressions. Built for straightforward, no-fuss trimming, the ConairMan nose hair trimmer focuses on clean results without discomfort. Many people hesitate with budget trimmers because of painful pulling or uneven cuts. This model answers with an advanced 360-degree beveled blade system designed to trim ear and nose hair evenly, avoiding nicks and irritation. The compact cordless body runs on a single AA battery and includes one, making it ready to use right away. Its durable design feels practical for everyday storage or travel, and the washable attachment keeps hygiene simple after each session. In daily use, the trimming action is quick and controlled, allowing you to tidy up in minutes before work or an event. Compared with rechargeable multi-head devices that offer broader grooming features, this option stays focused on nose and ear detailing, which keeps operation simple but limits versatility. It suits men who prefer a dedicated, easy-to-handle tool that does one job efficiently without extra attachments. When grooming becomes part of a steady routine rather than a stressful chore, the result is subtle but meaningful. Small details remain managed, your appearance feels polished, and stepping out the door carries a sense of readiness that speaks louder than words. So guys, that brings us to the end of our video on the best-rated nose hair trimmer you can buy right now. We've carefully covered a range of options designed for different hunting styles, environments, and budgets, so you can choose with confidence and avoid wasting your hard-earned money. All the product links are added in the description below, so take a moment to check them out, compare features, and pick the binocular that truly matches your terrain, game, and personal needs. If this video helped you in any way, whether it saved you time, cleared your confusion, or helped you avoid a bad purchase, please hit the like button. It genuinely motivates us and tells YouTube that honest, no-nonsense gear content matters. And if you're serious about hunting gear and outdoor equipment, make sure to subscribe. We've got more in-depth reviews, real night testing, comparisons, and practical tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, stay safe, happy hunting, and see you in the next one.